guys, greetings, good day, good morning, depending on where you are this beautiful day. This is trainer Loren, also known as Loren Cunningham Hammond, and happy Motivation Monday. Can you believe this is the first Motivation Monday of 2022? I hope you are all safe and doing well. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So it's not about having the right opportunities. It's about handling the opportunities right. Wise words, guys. And that is by Mark Hunter. So again, good morning, greetings, good day, depending on where you are. We are going to go over Motivation Monday. I'm super excited. It's been a little while since we've got to touch base. So we're going to go over the tips of the week. This week, I have 2 tips of the week for you. We're going to go over my favorite part, which is the sales shout outs, and today's topic, how to get referrals. Now, these are some of the things that I've used as an agent. And being as I don't sell any longer, I have reached out to other agents and gotten their ideals and their feedbacks. So I hope you can take away something from this. Excuse me. I beg your pardon. So guys, don't forget, all the time we are getting emails from marketing at ahcpsales.com. So on January 12th, 19th, and 26th, pardon me, our very own trainer David will be hosting a low-income subsidy. Low-income subsidy, also known as LIS, it's extra help for your insured. So for those of you that have members that are in the Medicare realm, well, guys, you can look into opportunities to assist them further. Yes. As an agent, you can use this opportunity to assist your customers to get those lower drug costs. And again, depending on their low-income subsidy status, if they qualify, they could even have a reduced premium payment. Yes, guys, they can even have a reduced premium payment. David will be going over that information in detail. So please, again, look at the marketing at ahcpsales.com. The email was sent out, I believe, a week and a half ago, advising of this upcoming series that David is doing. Another tip of the week is, did you know that Manhattan Life is ringing in the new year with a new launch of 4 new worksite products? Yeah, guys, they sure are. Now, if you're not familiar with it, please sign up for the kickoff event. Again, it's in that email that was sent out from ahcpsales.com. The series will, or excuse me, this particular Manhattan Life training, if you will, the Advantage series is going to be kicking off on Friday the 14th at 10 a.m. Central. So again, sign up for it. Knowledge is power, guys. Now, my favorite part of the week is the sales leaders and kudos. Now, there's some really new names here for me, so if I mispronounce them, please forgive me in advance. But these are the numbers and the sales stats for the week of January 3rd. There are some new numbers coming in daily, so we're hoping to have more information on the high number for the Affordable Care Act plans, who sold them, how they were sold. So for the short-term medical, we have National General, and then we have a shout out to Pivot. That one's just crawling right up in there, guys. It's doing really well. Limited Med, Prime Care. This is a new one for me, so I was super excited to see this. Our accident plan, NatGen, was the highest sold product. For the critical illness, we have Golden Rule. And on our dental, again, Golden Rule. So again, guys, these are changing constantly. I'm hoping to have more updated numbers by the end of the day. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Now, the highest sales, now these are in no particular order for January 3rd. So for a short-term medical, we have William Cox, great job. Brandon Combs, great job. Richard Banville, again, great job. Limited Med, we have Robert Swander, again, forgive me if I mispronounce your name, and then Stephen Yu. And then on our accident, we have Richard Stillwell and Brandon Combs. Now, guys, again, these are in no particular order. So congrats, good job, keep pushing. Now, how to get referrals. Now, again, this is based on stuff that I've done, as well as current agents that I have reached out and kind of got their feedback on. So ask for referrals. It's as simple as that. Yes, guys, it is. It's super simple. Did you know that 84% of buyers kick off their buying process with a referral? 92% of buyers trust referrals from people that they know. After a positive experience, 83% of customers would be happy to provide referrals. Only 29% of customers actually end up giving referrals. 47% of the top performers ask for referrals constantly, consistently, before, during, and after a sale, versus 26% of the non-top performers. They don't ask for the referral. You don't ask, you don't get. So remember, again, ask before, during, and after your sale. If you ask for the referral, more times than not, you're going to receive them, especially if your customer feels that you are just walking on sunshine. Work with people who are knowledgeable, professional, as well as fun. I mean, nobody wants to be around a negative anybody. Be upfront with your customers. You know, we have all been in a situation where you sat across the table or a desk from someone and you knew that they were pulling your leg or they weren't being completely honest or truthful. So remember, always be upfront with your clients. Follow up with your clients. Guys, this is a great time for you to follow up with those clients that you wrote policies for in November and December. Great, great opportunity. You know, leads are an essential part of our sales business, and not all of the expenses of the clients that, you know, you already know. So basically, keep those clients content, keep them happy. Nobody wants to be unnumbered in anyone's book of business. You know, the only time you call me Mr. Insurance Agent is when it comes to my renewal. Well, no, guys. Call, check in, see how little Johnny's doing, you know, with his big football game. But remember, always keep in touch with your clients, again, for more than just those renewals or even those claims. If you know that someone has a wedding anniversary coming up, I used to write down all this information in my files back in the day. Yes, file folders. And with that being said, we used to send out handwritten cards. It meant a lot. And I would put at the bottom, if you have a referral, please send it my way. Remember, even if your sale does not lead to a closure, you're still going to have a good rapport with that client. They may not buy today, but again, with you following up with your clients, that could definitely turn into a sale. So remain positive at all times, guys. This is imperative. Your attitude is your most important sales tool in your arsenal. I'm not sure if any of you have dealt with someone that's just really negative and nasty. Last thing I want to do is spend my money with them. So remember, be that positive influence. Surround yourself with positive people. You are the company you keep, my nana used to say. So if you're around negative, nasty people, it's going to rub off eventually. So again, surround yourself with positive people. Advertise yourself. Now, this is where it got really creative and I was really, really intrigued. Now, I used to always have my signature at the bottom of my email, but I've had other agents say that they have dedicated blogs dedicated Facebook pages, anything social media related, they have set up for their business. People ask questions in their chats. People have chat rooms. Remember, you can always hand out your business card or business flyers. In my opinion, personal approach is best. So when I was an active sales agent, I was a member of Seroptimus, Better Business, Better Business Women's. I used to meet with these groups of ladies for lunch every other week. And I always had, business cards and flyers. And being one of the youngest ladies in the groups, it was quite intimidating. But you know what? The older ladies that were there always gave me tips and pointers. Remember, and this is my opinion, personal approach works best. Remember to specialize in the products you sell. You don't want to sell 500,000 products that you know nothing of. So, narrow it down to maybe 10 or 12 that you really truly know in and out what is going to work best for your clients and their needs. Create a list of people, communities that you know, or people that you want to get in front of. Now, okay, I understand it's still COVID issues, but there are Zoom meetings, whether it's with community leaders or again, Seroptimus or church groups, whatever works for you. But remember, put a list together and just kind of knock them off as you approach. Now, lack of customer reviews. This was new to me. So I had agents say that 9 out of 10 customers read reviews. It made perfect sense to me. So yes, I appreciate that. I have an agent who told me he started a Yelp page. I didn't realize that you could go onto Yelp and start your own page or your own category with your agency. He did that, and he has people that he'll ask, hey, when we're done with all the sales stuff, he'll actually ask them for not only a referral, but to go on to his Yelp page and do a review. Again, that can apply to any and all social media forums as well. Customer reviews are one of the most trusted forms of advertising. We've all had situations where our friends have been telling us, or family members have told us about great experiences that they've had with such and such store or such and such restaurant or such and such. We've all can relate in one way or another. So being that's the case, guys, we all have used some sort of advertisement or referral service, if you will, from our friends, word of mouth. Did you know that 70% of customers will actually leave a review if you ask them? Yeah, guys, it's true. Steps to take now. So remember to add a referral link to your signature. So any and all emails that you are sending out corresponding with your insureds, add that referral link. Let your sales today know that you're going to follow up. So any and all of those new sales or even the older sales, make sure that you tell them you're going to follow up and do follow up, because again, you're building this relationship. Create a network organizational chart. So again, for those groups that you want to get out in front of, please, by all means, I encourage it. Now, guys, as always, if you ever have any questions, you need assistance, you can feel free to email the training at ahcpsales.com, or you can call the agency services at 877-228-8773. Now, guys, please be safe. And as always, thank you for spending part of your busy day with me. I hope you are all well and safe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.